Hello guys, welcome to AIT concept video, syntax and flowchart of for loop, Python programming. Myself Nandivardhan Reddy, roll number 20951A1248 from ITA. Let's come into the topic. Python for loop. What is for loop in Python? Syntax of for loop, flowchart of for loop, example for loop, and then range in range function for with else. Next, what is for loop in Python? It is iterate over a sequence, list of tuple, string, or other iterable objects. Iterating over a sequence is called transversal. Then, syntax of for loop. For variable in sequence, body of for. The value here, val is the variable that takes the value of item inside the sequence and each iteration. Loop continues until we reach the last item in the sequence. The body of for loop is separated from the rest of code using indentation. Okay. Next, we'll see the for loop flowchart. Okay. Here, for each item in the sequence, it will reach the last item. If the condition is not satisfied, then in the not completed, then it again it will go for the body of for loop. If the condition is satisfied, then it will be yes, then it will be go and exit the for loop. Okay, let's see the example. Let's take an object of list of numbers 6, 5, 3, 8, 4, 2, 5, 4, 11. Okay, let's take a variable to store this sum, sum equal to 0. For variable in numbers, sum equal to sum plus value. Okay, here first it will take this 6 as input and sum equal to 0 plus 6, then sum equal to 6. Then again it will go, the condition is not over, it will iterate over the list till the list of elements is over. Then element 5 is taken, then sum 6 plus 5 equal 11, then sum equal to 11, then again 3, 11 plus 3, 14. Again in the same manner till the last element it will iterate and exit the for loop. Then it will print the output as print of sum. The sum will be printed. The sum is 48. Okay, see the output here. The sum is 48. Okay, in the blue color, we can see here the sum is 48. Okay, then we'll go for range function. Okay, range function can generate a sequence of numbers using range function. For range 10, we generate number from 0 to 9. 10 numbers 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 numbers will be printed. Can also define the start, stop, and step size as range of start, stop, step size. Step size defaults to 1 if not provided. Does not store all the values in memory. It would be inefficient. So it remembers the start point, stop point, and step size and generates the next number on to the go. We'll see the examples on range function. Okay, here print of range of 10. Here we are asking only print range of 10, means range of 0 to 10. Here next print list of range of 10. We are printing the list of numbers from range in range of 10. Then it will print the elements in a list from 0 to 9, 10 elements. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, next print the list of range of 2, 10, 10, 2. Here we given the step size as 2 and starting point 2 and stop point 10 and step size 2. From starting point it will print starting point 2, then step size 2, no, from 2 we add 2, 2 plus 2 4, it will be print, plus 4 plus 2 6, it will be print, 6 plus 2 8, it will be print, 8 plus 2 10, it will not print because it is a last stopping element, so it will not print in range. Then print list of range of 2 comma 10. Here we are not given the step size, so it defaults it will takes one as step size. We given starting point and stop point. Starting point as 2 and stop point as 10. Then it will bring the list of numbers from 2 to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 it will not print in range function. Okay. Print list of range of 20 comma 10 comma minus 2. Here we given the start point as 10 and the end point as starting point as 20 and the end point as 10 and step size is minus 2. Okay. It is going in reverse order. Okay. 20 minus 2 18, 18 minus 2 16, 16 minus 2 14, 14 minus 2 12. It will print this number, but 12 minus 2 10, it will not be print because it is a stopping point. Okay. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, this 5 elements will be print in the list. Okay. Print next, print list of range of 2 comma 10 comma minus 2. Okay. Here we given starting point as 2 and the ending point as 10 and step size is minus 2. Why it is given empty bracket means starting point is 2. 2 minus 2, it is 0. It will be not present in 2 to 10 range. So it will not give an element. 0 minus 2 minus 2. So it is going on negative numbers. So it will, that numbers are not present in 2 to 10 range. So it will given an empty list. Okay. Then next, let's take an object. In that list, apple, banana and mango. Iteration over a list using index for I in range of length of an object. Print I like the generation of I. Okay. Here first it will take the apple. Okay. Index 1, index 0, it will take an apple. It will take apple. Then it will print I like apple. Then for loop is not over, so the condition is not over. Then it will again go for body of the loop, for loop. Then again banana will be taken. Then like banana it will be print. Then condition is not over, so it will again go for loop, body of the loop, for loop. Then it will take mango and print it I like mango. Then it will print all these three things. You can see in right side, I like apple, I like banana, I like mango. This will be print as output. Okay. Next, for loop with else. Let's take digits 0, 1, 5. For I in range of digits, print I. Else, print no item left. This is code. Okay. How it is executed, I will explain. First, for I in digits, first index number 0, it will take 0 value, 0 element. Then it will print 0 as output because we have given print I. Print that number. Okay. It will give 0. Next, the condition is not over. Then again it will go for loop. Okay. It will go. I again takes index number 1. Value is 1 and print the value 1. Then again the condition is not over. Again it will go for loop and goes and takes index number 2. Value is 5. Then it will be print 5. Then the for loop condition is over. Then it will end the condition and exit the for loop and goes to the else loop. Then it will print no item left because we given to print no item left. Then it will execute the else loop and exit the group and the code is what? Then it will print 0, 1, 5 and no item left. Okay. Then okay, thank you. This is our today's topic, syntax and flowchart of for loop.